It means that now our hips are creating a V shape, so they're open because then we're going to walk forward, which is a very characteristic for the tango. Ladies going to start with the right leg, men with the left leg. One step forward, second step forward, and on the third step, lady is going to rotate counterclockwise, closing the position, facing the partner again, and connecting the feet. Let's do this one more time. This time we will also count while dancing. And there we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Let's now focus more on the men's perspective. As you can see, we're keeping our knees bent a little bit. We're walking forward in the same direction, opening our hips into this direction. That's the most characteristic for the tango. Start with the left leg. Continue in the same direction with the second step, so your legs are actually crossing on the step. Then while the lady's closing, I'm also rotating a bit to taking a side step and then connecting the feet. We want to end up with our pelvises, hips parallel to each other. As you have probably noticed while counting, each step took 2 bits of the music. So we can also count this as slow, slow, quick, quick. This will help you learn this, and it's very characteristic for the tango that the rhythm is changed while dancing. So in our part you can practice counting slow, slow, quick, quick, and slow, slow, quick, quick.